From Rome to Jerusalem, from civilians to the politicians, and from royal chapels to remote villages, Easter Sunday was marked with faith, tradition and reflection. As Christians around the world celebrated the resurrection of Jesus Christ, each community brought its own culture and spirit to the occasion. Here's how Easter unfolded across the world.
Christianity's most important holiday, Easter, symbolizes the resurrection of Jesus Christ. It brings together various people from across the globe to remember Jesus Christ's resurrection, seen as a sign of new beginnings and hope. Pope Francis returned to St. Peter's Square in a moving moment of resilience, appearing for the first time since recovering from double pneumonia. The 88-year-old greeted tens of thousands following Easter Mass at the Vatican, his presence a symbol of hope and endurance. While Russian President Vladimir Putin attended an Easter service led by Patriarch Kirill at Russia's main Christ the Savior Cathedral in central Moscow. In Jerusalem's Old City, Christian worshippers gathered for a spiritual Easter Mass, praying at one of Christianity's holiest sites, believed to be where Jesus was crucified and resurrected. In Britain, King Charles arrived at St. George's Chapel in Windsor, continuing the royal family's Easter tradition. The annual service reflected both personal faith and national continuity. In eastern Germany, the Sorb community, which is one of Europe's oldest and smallest minorities, kept alive their unique Easter tradition. According to a legend, young women once walked the villages at night, singing carols until dawn to announce the resurrection. In villages across Moscow, Russians marked Easter with quiet prayer and community gatherings. Many offered heartfelt wishes for peace amid ongoing global conflict and uncertainty. Easter in every corner of the world remains a reminder of renewal, unity, and enduring faith, expressed in ways as diverse as the people who celebrate it. Bureau Report, DD India.